see something crazy? This channel has 71,000 subscribers with only 21 videos. Another one in the same niche has already gained 34,000 subscribers from just 18 videos. And it only started 2 months ago. The best part? I'm going to show you exactly how to start a channel like this for free. Making these videos is surprisingly simple. Honestly, anyone can do it. But I have to ask, are you willing to invest just 2 hours a day? If you can stick with it for 30 days, this could seriously change your life and maybe even replace your 9-to-5. So what is this niche all about? Let me break it down. It's all about productivity, focus, and studying smarter. Look at some of their video topics. Trick your brain to crave doing hard things. The Lotus Method Simplified. How to study after wasting the whole day. Their audience is mostly students and young people between 15 and 27 years old. That's millions of potential viewers. And because the content is easy to understand, you don't need to be an expert to get started. Just 2 hours a day is all it takes. And the payoff? According to Social Blade, one of these channels is making around $1,800 a month from those 21 videos. That's why I'm starting a channel in this niche from scratch, and I'm taking you with me every step of the way. Ready to begin?
First, we need a channel name, logo, and banner that fits our productivity niche. Let's ask ChatGPT for some ideas. Just type in, "Give me 10 YouTube channel name ideas for a productivity and study tips niche." Look at that, we've got some great options. The name Focus Fuel really stands out to me. It's short, memorable, and perfectly captures the idea of clearing your mind to focus. Let's go with that. Next step, designing the logo in Canva. Now, let's bring our channel to life with a logo. Open Canva and create a new custom design. Set both the height and width to 2000 pixels. This is the perfect size for a sharp YouTube logo. From the Elements menu, pick a simple square shape and resize it to fill most of the canvas. Time to choose a color. I'm going with a warm, energetic orange, but feel free to pick any calm, earthy tone that you like. Back in Elements, let's search for a graphic that represents thinking or focus. This brain with a light bulb is perfect. I'll add it to the center of our shape. Now I'm going to change its color so it matches the background theme. Finally, let's add our channel name, Focus Fuel, in a clean, easy-to-read font. Once you're happy with the design, just hit the download button. Let's move on to next step, which is creating the channel banner. The magic dimensions for a YouTube banner are 2,560 pixels wide by 1,440 pixels tall. Create another custom design in Canva with those exact dimensions. To keep our branding consistent, let's use the same color scheme and style from our logo. I'll add a background shape and our signature orange color. For the graphic, I'll use a simple modern illustration, like this stick figure holding a bulb. This is where you get creative. Don't just copy me, make it unique to your channel's personality. Finally, add a catchy slogan. If you're stuck, just ask ChatGPT. Give me 5 short slogans for a productivity YouTube channel called Focus Fuel. I'll add mine. Feed your focus, fuel your future. After that, I've changed its color from black to white and give it a little bit of an outline. And that's it. With our name, logo, and banner ready, our channel's branding is complete and looks professional.
Now that our branding assets are ready, the next critical phase is channel creation and proper setup. For optimal results, it is highly recommended to utilize an existing Gmail account rather than creating a new one, as established accounts often carry more trust with the platform's algorithm. Immediately after creating your channel, resist the urge to begin uploading content. Instead, you must undergo a crucial warm-up period of at least 14 days. During this time, actively use the channel as a viewer by watching and liking and commenting on videos within your niche. This activity signals to YouTube that your channel is operated by a genuine user, not an automated system, which can significantly improve your initial visibility. Once this warm-up period is complete, you can begin to configure your channel settings, navigate to the channel settings within YouTube Studio, and select the appropriate country, as this helps the platform connect you with a relevant local audience. The next vital step is to add a comprehensive set of keywords related to your niche as channel tags, which aids in discoverability. Finally, proceed to the Feature Eligibility section to select intermediate features, a process that requires you to verify your phone number. Completing this verification is essential for unlocking your channel's full capabilities. With these foundational steps thoroughly completed, your channel will be fully prepared for the content creation process.
Now that your channel is set up, it's time to focus on the most exciting part, creating content. The best way to start is by finding viral video ideas in your niche. Look at successful channels and notice which topics get the most views. Those are great starting points. Next, use ChatGPT to help build your content calendar. For example, you can ask, analyze these popular topics and suggest 10 new related video ideas. This will give you a quick list of fresh and relevant concepts for your audience. After choosing a topic, ask ChatGPT to write a rough script. Don't use it word for word. Instead, edit and rewrite it in your own style. Add your personal stories and opinions to make the final version sound natural and authentic. A perfect mix of AI help and your own creativity. Finally, use an AI voice generator like 11 Labs for the voiceover. Pick a voice that fits your channel's tone and style. This simple workflow helps you make original, high-quality videos quickly and efficiently.
After that, we can move on to the visual creation process. If we take a look at these example channels, you'll notice that one of them uses stick figure animations to make their videos. You can easily create the same style using Canva. I've already made a full tutorial on how to make stick figure animation videos in Canva. You can check that video out. Now, this other channel is using advanced stick figure animations, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. For this method, we'll only be using Google Gemini. But first, we need prompts. To get those, go back to ChatGPT and type, according to this prompt, can you write image generation prompts for each scene? Then, paste the ready-made prompt. You can find that in the video description. After that, ChatGPT will automatically write prompts for all your scenes. As you can see, it provides detailed prompts for each one. Now, move over to Google Gemini, click on Create Image, and paste your first prompt there. Wait a few seconds and watch the magic happen. Whoa, look at that result. Amazing, right? It perfectly captures every detail from the prompt. Now, just repeat the same process for all your remaining prompts. Paste them one by one into Gemini and generate all your images. Once you're done with that, it's time to edit your video. And don't worry, this is the easiest part of the whole tutorial. Open CapCut and start a new project. First, import all your images, voiceovers, and any other files you'll need. Then drag the voiceover to the timeline and place the images in the right order. You can also mix in some stock clips if you want, that's totally fine. If you can, try adding text animations to make it look more interesting. Also, don't forget to add subtitles. Just go to the text section, select auto captions, and let it generate subtitles for your whole video. After that, you can fix or style them using the editing menu. Use a clean, modern font and add simple text slide animations to make the subtitles look smooth. Finally, add some background music. I recommend using the YouTube audio library since it has lots of free copyright-safe tracks.
Let's check out the final result.
Hey, pause for a sec. If you've been studying for hours but nothing sticks, this might be why. You're doing something that's quietly killing your focus every single day, and you don't even realize it. The problem? Fake studying. You've got your notes open, your phone beside you, maybe music playing, but your brain's half asleep. You look productive, but you're not learning anything. Here's how to fix it fast. First, kill the distractions. Put your phone away. Airplane mode. close those extra tabs. Second, use the 50 to 10 rule. 50 minutes of deep focus, 10 minutes break. Third, one goal per session. Don't say, I'll study math. Say, I'll finish chapter 3. And last, use active recall. Stop rereading, start testing yourself. That's how memory builds. Remember, it's not about how long you study. It's about how focused you are. Protect your attention. Treat it like gold. If this helped, hit subscribe and start studying smart, not just longer.
And that's it. Anyone can do this. It's super simple and doesn't cost a thing. If you have any questions about this niche, drop a comment below. I'll reply as soon as I can. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wish you all the best.